I am pleased to be amongst the first to welcome you to the new beginnings of a new Joseph Brant Hospital. Today we are embarking on a major redevelopment and expansion project that will provide the people of Burlington and area greater access to healthcare services for years to come.
To begin with, I want to acknowledge the work of the 600 volunteers and the over 1,500 staff which make our hospital truly hum every single day. And I'm proud, if I may, that our government has made such an important investment in and a commitment to our community and our hospital. This hospital hasn't seen a major refurbishment in 40 years.
5 years ago, raising $60 million would have been considered a plausible impossibility. Am I right? A plausible impossibility. So today, we're really celebrating how it is possible to go from a plausible impossibility into a convincing possibility.
Of the many accomplishments that I've been involved with on Burlington City Council for the last 8 years, committing $60 million to the expansion of redevelopment of our hospital was probably one, if not the best decision that we have made.
Today does mark an important milestone in this major project. This unique characteristic of Burlington, and I think it's reflected in the hospital as well, and those who work or volunteer here, is the fact that despite your growth and the innovation and the change, the evolution rather, that there's an intimacy and a passion and a compassion in a small town environment that you've managed to sustain here, which is really quite remarkable. So thank you to all the dedicated people at JBH, the Hamilton Niagara Haldeman Brant Lynn, the City of Burlington, the staff at Infrastructure Ontario, and to my ministry for reaching this important milestone today. I look forward to celebrating many more milestones with you as this project moves forward over the coming months and years.
The changes we are making at Joseph Brant Hospital will serve the entire community. The new Joseph Brant Hospital is a hospital that everyone will be proud of. One where we can all stand together knowing that we've moved an idea to a reality.
Infrastructure Ontario has a very, very long history working with Eric and his entire capital redevelopment team, and I can only tell you that from our executive to the Joseph Brant board, we have every confidence in the world that we will help in partnership to steer this project in the right direction. Infrastructure Ontario is going to do obviously everything in its power to deliver on time and budget, and as I said, safely, so that every single worker on this project that shows up for work is going to return home safely at the end of the day.
The lesson I take from this is to achieve great things, you have to first have a dream. Secondly, you have to put together the right people. And thirdly, you have to persevere.
The generosity of all our donors and all our volunteers has inspired and continues to inspire many in our community to pledge their support. We would not be here celebrating our new hospital groundbreaking without it. Thank you all for making our new hospital a reality.